Good Wednesday evening, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We're going to give you a quick midweek walk around right quick. We're over here in the paint side. We're going to start in the paint booth. Got the F100 bed in there, so let's get started. All right, we walk in the paint booth here. Got the underside of it painted. Check it out. Got it coated real good. Let that dry overnight. I wish I could show you the fuel thing. We'll try to insert a little video at the end showing the fuel door. But got it painted, ready to flip over and get ready to paint the upper side. Anyway, we'll walk over here to the shop. Right there's a Ford truck hood for the F100. And we got this little Honda Civic in. Alan picked it up off Copart. Kind of dark, can't see. Copart Atlanta West last week. Man, I wish I could brighten it up. It's gotten dark on us right quick. But anyway, it's hitting the back end right there. We'll show you a good bit about it on Saturday's video. Got the Toyota just about put together. Alan is washing and cleaning it up. Got the bed put back together, back on. Got the front end back together. Like I said, getting it cleaned up. There's the star of the cleaning show right there. The Toyota Camry, got it painted. Alan been washing, just as finished washing on it and pulled it in. Got the battery on charge. Remember, that's the one, the quarter door, the dog leg here. Drake's in here sanding on the old F100. This is a final block. He hopes so, anyway. We're working on final block. Hopefully get it in the booth pretty quick. Got the fenders, doors just about, back of the cab. Bed still got to be blocked though, don't it? Yeah. Our final sanded. Yeah, I painted the bottom side of it. Yeah, I got the bottom side in the video here. So it gets dry tomorrow. We'll be able to flip it over, get it ready to sand and paint. Got the mounts going in the old Ford here. Got them in, got everything painted up. Looking good. I think just got to put the body bolts back in it. But everything turned out real nice on it. I said, put these in right here if you can see. Got it back together. I think that's about all I got to really show. Dark outside, can't see a whole lot. But turkey trot went pretty good. Had a few cars, a little less cars than we hoped there, but still turned out to be a pretty good time. But that's what's going on here at the shop. 256 Garage out.
All right, we got the fuel door fixed up for the F100. All right, Junior, pop it. Got it open. We can get our gas cap. Boom. We put our gas cap back. Boom. And we close it. Alright, it's closed. Pop it one more time. And we got it open again.